So the office has been an ongoing project for me, and it is the one place in my place that tends to get the messiest the fastest. It's a little embarrassing, but I like to do these every once in a while where I do like an organization slash de-stash, get rid of some stuff. I figure we gotta have a before, right? So I'm gonna show you guys what my office is currently looking like. Don't judge me. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is what my office is currently looking like. There's just like boxes of products and PR packages. I recently filmed a video, so there's products from there still on the floor. I've got like boxes of products there, filming equipment's everywhere. I get ready here, hence this little setup. And yeah, there's just stuff cluttered everywhere. And I've also been meaning to like go through, oh gosh, it doesn't even open. This drawer, my skincare drawer, and kind of get rid of some of the stuff so I can give it away for the holiday season. I definitely think I have my work cut out for me. I have a feeling this is gonna be like a multiple day process because I like to really sit down and look at my stuff because since, like I said, I do a lot of product reviews and things like that, I do like to keep some products for that purpose, for referencing sake, but at this point, it's just getting excessive. So I gotta sit down and really sort through what I wanna donate as well as what I wanna give away. Let's go ahead and get started. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do is start going through some of the PR packages. I do most of my PR unboxings on my Twitch channel, which is why I keep them in the original packaging until I'm ready to do something with them. There's some in that corner and here and like down below me that I've already gone through that needs to be sorted through and dealt with. So I think I'm gonna start off with that first and just sit down and kind of process. And also I just did a video where I had a bunch of empties showed, so I can pick all of these up, most of them. These are like all empties. And I can put these back in my empty stash or finally recycle them.
And I feel like with nail trends as well at the moment, the 90s is not going away. Or do you put them on like there's no wrong or right?
Take two of me organizing my office. I did a little bit last night. I didn't do a ton of filming, but like I said, I was planning on this taking me a couple days anyways, and then I got distracted last night after doing a little bit of cleaning and called my grandma. So for today, I've got a decent amount of work ahead of me, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started again. Basically where I left off yesterday is I'm kind of going through some PR packages and getting rid of some stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and keep doing that. I'm also listening to an audiobook right now. The audiobook I'm listening to, A Tale for the Time Being by Ruth Ozeki. It's actually really good. It's kind of dark, but I'm kind of digging it. I guess I'm doing like an impromptu tiny little PR unboxing because there's some stuff here I did want to show you guys. So I got this last week from ColourPop. I didn't know I got this in time or it would have made a full video, but I can't keep up sometimes with ColourPop launches. But it's the Hello Kitty and Friends collection. This is so cute. There's a little Luxe Gloss trio. We've got some of these, which are the Glitterly Obsessed kits, which I always give those away to like friends or family or whoever, because I don't use the glitter like that. This is the lip care kit. Ooh, lip scrub and lip mask. That looks lovely. Gosh, how cute is this holiday stuff? I love it. Palettes and stuff that look like that, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up keeping a lot of this stuff, but it's super cute. Pressed powdered cheeks. So we've got At Frost Sight and Bundled Up. Like I said, I'm sure you guys can find some like really nice collection videos that show more than I'm showing. So excited about this. Is from a brand called Kaleidos, and which is right here, I love this brand. It's kind of more of like an indie makeup brand, but they've got a lot of great products. So they sent me this. They accidentally sent me two, so I'm gonna actually give one away. I'm sure they won't mind. And this is basically just like a whole set of their Space Age highlighters. I bought, I think, 2 of these in the past, so I'll have to figure out which ones I have, but I love these. They're really iridescent and shiny and come in a bunch of fun different colors. And then it also came with some brushes, some type of mat maybe to like put your makeup on. I'm not really sure, like a cloth sent to me last week. So if I like open the top of this up, this is actually like a really nice bin. they sent over. Dove products. Here we've got some of their exfoliating body polish. I'm actually probably gonna throw one of those into my shower immediately. The pomegranate seeds and shea butter. Crushed macadamia and rice milk. Crushed almond and mango butter, and then they have a little like towel in here. Now I do most of my PR unboxings actually on my live stream, my Twitch channel Moki Bear, and my Amazon live, which is also the Beauty Breakdown. So if you guys ever want to tune in on some beauty PR unboxings, definitely go follow me on either one of those. I don't know, that might be all the PR I'm gonna show you guys in this video, because I'm gonna save some obviously for my live stream, but let's keep it moving, because in doing the little bit of an unboxing I just did, I made more of a mess for myself. So there's that. So this might be a terrible idea, but I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm just gonna take out all of the products from the PR, and I'm just gonna put them all out on the floor so I can take a look at all of them and decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep. That way I can at least get the boxes out of here, because I know the packaging it takes up a lot of space, and I feel like if I get all the recyclables out of here, I can deal with the products. So that's gonna be my strategy moving forward.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll. Life been taking toll, I just wanna roam. I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower. Party on occasion, I should ease the weight off my shoulders. Yeah, I said we only getting older.
Okay, so I've laid out a good amount of PR. Now, granted, this is like PR for a couple months, I feel like. Some of this I actually did unbox on one of my live streams, so if you go back you'll see some of the products that are on the floor here, but as you can see this saves up a lot of room, so I'm actually going to take that to recycling and I'm going to get that out of here so we have a little bit more floor space, and then I'm going to sit here and go through some of it. Now obviously stuff like this I'll probably just like pick my shade or decide if I want to use it, but I have like a ton of eyeshadow palettes down there. I should probably kind of like decide if I need all that, which is no. And then Skin Food sent me a package, so I've got some stuff there that I'm really excited about, but this is some of it spread out, so I'm going to take that to the recycling.
Lately I've been low down, losing all control, I admit it. All this Tennessee hit my limits. This might be all the year, let me finish. I get it, I know you tease me, love me for the leisure, only for the eve. See you searching for the meaning. Hate the way we treat this. Why you in a rush? Know you got no business leaving. Why you always leaving? Know you want that repeat. Yeah, it ain't no way around it. We got a change about us. You got your way about you, not much to say about it. Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better where we left it? All this inside of my head.
Okay, so we're on day 3 at this point. I've been like doing a couple hours every day, so I'm not like overwhelmed by it. But the conclusion that I came to yesterday is that I'm just gonna have to take out all of the skincare from my skincare drawer and go through and sort through that, because I don't like to have a bunch of like old skincare or skincare that's gonna go bad. I like to make sure that I know what I have, and like I've been saying this whole video, either get rid of it, donate it, give it away to friends or family, give it away to you guys, figure out something to do with it so it doesn't go to waste. So I do this like every 6 months or so just to make sure old products. Sorry, my hand's shaky. Let me set this down. Basically, so I can make sure I'm not wasting product or anything like that. But the progress that I made yesterday was pretty significant, even though it doesn't quite look like it. But I did clean up most of the PR packages and cleared up some room on the floor. So I'm gonna quickly vacuum, because this has been, it's been a while since I've had room on my floor so I could vacuum, so I'm gonna do that really quick. And then as you can see here, these are some PR packages I'm gonna open on my stream next time I stream. So I didn't take care of all of them, but I saved some for my stream. So now the floor is all picked up, clean floor, ooh. So this needs to be vacuumed. over here, we have some of the new skincare products that I need to put away or sort through. And then now here, this is my typical skincare drawer. Now I did kind of carry on up here, so I've got to go through both of these, take everything out, check expiration dates and all that kind of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to empty everything out, put it on the floor so I can get a good look of everything. Sure that this might be the most skincare I've ever had at one time. So I'm definitely gonna need to go through and weed this. And typically the best way that I know how to do it is to sort them by category. So I put all the cleansers, all the serums, all that kind of stuff together, and then I can look and see, okay, which ones are kind of similar or do I not want to try? Pretty self-explanatory, but I just gotta do the work now. But yeah, this is excessive. Let's update you guys on the progress that I've made so far. So I've actually purged a decent amount. This is what my floor currently looks like. Believe it or not, there is some organization going on here. I've got this whole box, which is pretty deep, if you can see that, that is full of skincare products that I'm gonna either be donating or giving away. So this is what I was immediately ready to get rid of. Everything else is going to go back in those drawers. As I'm doing that, I will probably get rid of some more if I possibly can. And if you guys are curious, we've got cleansers, toners, mists, vitamin C's, mask products, essences, serums, eye products, exfoliators or chemical exfoliators, oils, lotions, some cleansing pads, balms, lip products, sunscreen, moisturizers or creams, Belief, which I obviously stock up on because me and my boyfriend use this a ton, some body products, and yeah. So now I can start putting them back in now that I've got these all sorted. I'm feeling pretty good. I checked all the expiration dates to make sure that we weren't putting anything in there that was super old or putting anything back that's super old. I'm happy to report I am finally finished and I feel pretty good about all the stuff that I was able to kind of sort out. So to show you guys, all of this is stuff that is going to be given away. So I've got plenty that I am gonna be working with, and then I'll show you guys the drawers now, what they look like. Now they are much more organized. I can see everything that I have, the tops of them. If you guys don't know how I organize my drawers for skincare, I just go in order of routine. So cleansers, toners, essences, serums, what's over here? Lotions, emulsions, creams, sunscreens, lip products, eye creams. I just try to group them all together in general routine fashion. And then up here, I've got more of my masking products, and so I've got like sheet masks and stuff like there. I checked all the expiration dates, so none of those are old. I've got some of my more like electronic stuff, I guess, as far as skincare goes, and just like some masks in general. And then these drawers are for my makeup, so I can see them. But yeah, that feels much better, and as you can see, the floor is clear. We don't have any products here on the floor, which feels nice. Or over here on the desk. We do have some below, but ignore that. If you guys are curious what these are, that's also like a giveaway pile that I keep. And then over here are like products that I've tried and used, but I want to save them for like a future video, or I have an opinion about them. That's kind of where they go when I take them out of my routine. Streaming setup there. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys had fun with me in this video. It feels good to get like all nice and organized and clean, and I will be having a giveaway in this video, which I will put here. So I'm gonna be holding two different giveaways. The first giveaway is going to be over on my Instagram, and I thought these were just little cute holiday sets for the giveaway, so this will be over on Instagram. I'll put the post link down below where you can enter the giveaway and all the instructions down there as well. We got some Charlotte Tilbury, Innisfree, Pixie, ColourPop, Jenny House, just a bunch of little sets. And then this is the Kaleidos kit that I mentioned in the video. This is going to be the YouTube giveaway, and yeah, all of that will also be down in the description box below. So if you guys want to enter, you can enter both of these if you want. You can enter one or the other. Totally up to you guys, but this is just my little holiday thank you. As always, I hope you guys are happy and healthy, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. I need to work out. Like, my arm gets tired from holding this camera up.
Still have your way around me. They say it was something special. Is it better when we left it? All this inside of my head. Know when you're ready. I just wanna know.